Hi, everybody. It's Nick. And today I thought we would be in my studio so that I could flip through a couple of my art journals, my early art journals, actually, just so I could show you a little bit more about what I was talking about in last week's video. So enjoy.
2023 was when I started doing art journaling. Here I was just using a plain notebook, scraps of paper, magazine pieces, napkins, quotes I'd found online. It wasn't really art, but it was a way for me to process things. There's no real talent here. That's the secret. The talent doesn't matter at first, it comes later. This is just paint skins from another project. And healing wasn't in the making art, it was in the process. It was taking time for myself, even when I felt like I didn't deserve it, or maybe I was just too tired, but I took it anyway. And over time, things shifted. The quotes got more hopeful, and the pages looked a little more pretty and positive and creative. I love these two pages. The kitty here on this page came from a inspiration pack from another artist I follow uh, on YouTube, and it inspired a whole nother piece of art. And this one's still a work in progress. And these two pages I did right when I first set up the studio here. And this one was the very first mixed media journal that I started. I think it might have been also in 2023. And again, there's no real skill here, but talent wasn't the point, starting was. It didn't matter as long as I was gluing something down and showing up. I look at some pages and I wonder, what was I thinking? But now I love them. They're proof that I kept going. So, if you're waiting for skill or permission, stop. Start with what you have: a napkin, piece of junk mail, a flyer. The magic's in the doing, not the result. And when you look back, you can see all the chaos, all the hope, proof that you showed up for yourself. Even on the days you didn't really feel like you had the time or you were tired. And for me, a lot, it was just feeling like I didn't deserve to have a little fun. Jelly printing was another art form that saved me. But no rules, just paint and paper and whatever else handy I had. I mean, look at this mess. Just scribbles and a whole lot of glitter. But I remember where I was here. And then we have Amazing Grace. You see what I'm talking about? The last page here, I never ever finished. I actually started in another art journal, which I will show you in the next video. Bye for now.